It's a 2023 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, configurable instrument gauges, and LED low and high beam headlights. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.